Hello and welcome. We're talking about the Victorinox Swiss Army, the little classic SD here. Now, I like it that there's a parrot right here. I love the different models that these are coming out with. They're always so much fun. Like, you remember the classic. Now, with the red, now you remember after those tragic attacks, I'm not complaining about it. I understand a lot of people suffered from those, but do you remember how the TSA would confiscate these at the airport? They'd just be like, give me those. And I remember once I was flying, I had mine confiscated by TSA, landed at my destination, bought a new one, and I was like, oh, sweet. And then I got to the airport and totally forgot about it again. That was like twice in one trip. I was like, so they took mine on the way back and I just barely bought. They're just like, no, you're giving that to us. I was like, okay. So today we're going to use the Leatherman Juice S2. This is now my internet multi-tool companion. We're going to use these awesome scissors in here. It's ironic that the scissors I want these scissors to open this, but I can't have them. Anyway, I've gone through like half a dozen of these little Victorinox mini classic SD knives in my lifetime. I was looking around for my old one. I can't find it. It's been lost somewhere, probably in Ohio somewhere. So in a field at a shooting range somewhere in Ohio, if you find a Leatherman SD, oh, sorry, a Victorinox. Did I say Leatherman? I'm using my Leatherman here to cut it open. B5 fum. All right. Well, I think I'm just going to start tearing. All right, here we go. Come on, little parrot. Lovely. Let's have a look. Oh, this brings back memories. The feel of this, just how it feels. Look at this lovely color. Oh, this toothpick. Okay, right now I have some Invisalign braces. Yes, I'm an old man wearing Invisalign braces. Laugh it up, YouTube. But I use toothpicks all the time nowadays. I remember when I ordered this, I was like, oh, sweet. I can finally, the good old Victorinox toothpick. This is the plastic variety, so I can just wash it off. Don't have to replace it all the time. Oh man, it'll be so nice having this on my keychain again. My little parrot. I'm a pirate. Let's have a look here. Make sure everything functions as usual. Little screwdriver tip on the file, which is always nice. This blade I probably will never use. I just usually don't need a little delicate blade, but it's there. And little delicate scissors. Again, they used to come in handy all the time. I'm just not convinced. Nowadays, I would really use those. You can see the difference here. The Leatherman Juice S2 scissors versus these. And I must say the Juice S2 scissors were not great at opening this little blister pack here, so take that into consideration. And this is way more convenient and small than this huge Juice S2. Let's see if we can close this back up. I think this needs to be open. At least it's not sharp. Oh, wait, it is. And there we go. Back in place. All right. So what do you think of the Victorinox Classic SD? How many have you gone through in your life? I would say, you go through one every 3 years maybe? For me anyway. Love this little knife. Anyway, I hope that was of interest. I know I love knives and multi-tools and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. My name is John Hobby. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll be back with more content.